ang ganda. Oh, dito kami ngayon sa... Dito isa-celebrate yung birthday ng aking manugang na si Chris. Birthday niya tomorrow. Treat siya ng asawa niya dito. Ayan. Tapos, oh, ang taas namin, oh. Nakakalulaw. Ayan, oh.
Yung swimming pool kaya ano?
Oh, smile.
A few moments later.
Ay, mga kawawa, ilang oras na lang, Pasko na. Kaya napag-isipan ng aking anak na si Babos. Yamang nga dito kami sa hotel. Ay magpapagame, magpapagame siya mamaya bago mag-12 sa lubong para sa Christmas at birthday ni Chris. Ito, panoorin nyo yung palaro na gagawin namin. Nawa ma-enjoy nyo yung aming game. May daladalang mga pagit si Babos. Wow. Nagsasangag ng kanin.
Ikaw. Sabi
Ikaw,
I'm moving all of the liquid away. Ikaw.
I'm playing mahjong.
Ikaw.
I'm moving the plates around the table, ikaw. I'm wiping the table. How about you? I'm moving the stone around by hand, ikaw. I'm cleaning the stove. How about you? I'm smoothing my sister's brains, ikaw. I'm
I am mixing ingredients to make a cake. Ikaw.
I'm cooking a pancake.
I'm spinning the handle of a pan in 360 degrees. Ikaw.
I'm ironing the clothes.
I'm spinning the handle of a pan in 360 degrees. Ikaw.
I'm ironing the clothes of Ate Sai. How about you?
I am painting my paper circle. Ikaw.
I'm full of dust. I'm... How about you?
I am scrubbing my t-shirt. Ikaw.
I'm watching the money.
I'm summoning a circle. Ikaw.
Let's talk now.
I am playing the drums with my bare hands. Ikaw.
I'm doing the exercise, ikaw.
I am doing the whiplash. Ikaw.
I'm driving a bicycle, ikaw.
I'm slamming the table with my two hands. Ikaw.
I'm pagpaging the...
Ano? I am punching the bed with my two hands. Ikaw.
I'm fixing the blanket, ikaw.
I am punching the pillow with my two hands. Ikaw.
I'm doing nothing.
Okay, ready? Diago circle.
I am dancing with the hula hoop. Ikaw.
I'm spinning the wheel. Ikaw.
I am moving my hips counterclockwise. Ikaw.
I'm in the roller coaster. Ikaw.
I am feeling dizzy. Ikaw.
I'm the circus clown. Ikaw.
I am making a circle with my hips. Ikaw.
I'm spinning the wine. Ikaw.
I am
Teka lang! Ano spinning da?
Wine.
Nagsabi na si Kuya ng ano yun,
Ano
ng trees.
spinning yan?
Spinning the wine?
Ano pala ba din spin ng wine dyan?
Imagine mo.
Tanong ka, Diago. Tanong ka.
The next day.
Sa breakfast kami. Oo. Tignan nyo, Pagi. Breakfast. Ito kami ngayon sa lobby. Naulan sa labas. Ayan, oh, humirit si Wowa. Merry Christmas! Ito ang aming breakfast. Ayan, isan. Waka na. Masarap, oh. Ito, gusto ko.